Okay, so now we're going to talk about structures, or structs, which are user-defined data types that allow to group different variables together under a single name. For example, you can create a struct to hold all the attributes of a character, such as health, stamina, name. This makes your code cleaner and more manageable because you can pass around a single struct instead of multiple variables. Okay, so let's get right to it. So we're going to make, for our character, we're going to make a new structure, blueprints, structure, and we're going to call it struct attributes. This, we're going to add a new variable. Oh, it was already added one, but we're going to name this health, make it a float, and stamina. We're going to make that a float also. And we're going to add a name, and that becomes a name. Okay, then we save it. Now, well, there, we can already use it. So we go to our character. This is from a previous example. We're going to go event graph, instruction. We're going to go to variables, add an attributes, and look for attributes. Struct attributes right here. So compile it. We grab it. We break it. Here. So after we set it, we can grab the values, right? But first, we have to set it. Split it. And here we can set health 100, stamina 100, and name, we can name it tutorial. Right? So on construct, we're going to set all these values. And then we're going to make a begin play event. On begin play, we're actually going to print all these values. Okay, so print text. So we can format it, format text. And we're going to format it like health and HP, and stamina, stam, and name, name. Okay. Then we just plug these in right here. We make it neat. We compile. And if you come in here, you can see at the top left, let's make this, instead of gameplay, we can make it on an input. So we can just do it whenever we want. So on one, we're going to print this. We can actually make this longer too, so we can read it. No log, and let's make it red so you can see it better. Okay, so we play. At the top left, you can see health, stamina, and the name is tutorial. And and that's it. That's how you use structures. So it's good to bundle up a bunch of variables that you want to use. So instead of having a bunch of variables here, health, which is a float, right? Stamina, which is another float. You just have all of them put together into one single variable. See you later.